All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful Sunday morning, evening, wherever you are around the world. A little late update today because, I did sleep in a little bit. Wanted to just give myself a little bit of a break, but you guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about Solana. See what is happening with Solana right now as of November the 12th, and of course, where the prices are heading as we do go further into this upcoming week ahead of us. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at it on the daily time frame, Sol is down about 1.2% on the daily time frame, but that is nothing to worry about because if we're looking at it on the weekly time frame, once again, Solana is one of the top runners in the space, up 38%. But what really is next? Let's take a further look at that right now. So before we get into it, let's see if this page would load. There we go. It finally loaded. And all right, so if we're looking at Solana, it's currently sitting at $56.85. We're down about 1.3% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 2.1% in BTC comparative over the past 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, $24 billion with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $3 billion. So of course, we're seeing a little bit of a decrease in the 24-hour trading volume. But again, guys, that is to be expected because the price has also taken a little bit of a minor cool off. But we're going to take a further look as to what exactly is happening with Solana right now and what is yet to come as we do close out the year of 2023. So before we get into the Solana charts, let's take a look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is hovering back into the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level above $37,000. If I were to bring out the hourly time frame for you guys would be able to understand this better. So pretty much BTC has been trading sideways for quite some days now. You could pretty much see since the 10th, we're pretty much hanging within this range at 37,000. We are building up some resistance coming up in our way, but overall Bitcoin has been consolidating really, really nicely. And if we're looking at the dominance index, the Bitcoin dominance index is pulling down a little bit, which is causing altcoins that did not pump to start really making some moves towards the upside. And again, guys, this is to be expected because everything is pumping one by one right now, especially the top 100 coins. If you really take a look at it on the weekly time frame, you literally see 98% of the coins in the top 100 up. And if we're looking at on the monthly time frame, literally everything is up except Maker. I don't know why that's the case, but you guys get the point that everything is pumping right now as we speak. Solana up 164% on the monthly time frame. But let's take a further look at Sol right now. So what we're seeing with Solana right now at this moment, while I record this update, we're sitting below the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And guys, I'm sure you guys are able to understand the significance of this level of resistance. Because again, the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, makes us officially end this entire bear cycle. Because remember, the bear cycle started in May. For every single coin, you can go see bear market started around this range. And once the price of Solana got back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, the entire consolidation phase right here has come to an end. That is the mark to the end of the bear market consolidation zone. But let's take a further look as to Solana, what exactly is happening right now and whether or not we could see more downside. Of course, a lot of people want Solana to go down, but I think you had that opportunity. To the people that really want Solana to not continue to go up, the opportunity was there. And that's what I don't understand about people. They continuously say, I want Solana to go down, and continuously be asking one another, hey, do you think Solana is going to go down more? But come on, guys, the opportunity was there for us for months and months, but no one wanted to touch it. And that famous saying, be greedy while others are fearful, be fearful while others are greedy, really is a proper line. Because imagine the people that were being greedy here within this range, where I've pretty much highlighted from the previous update that I've made. If you were being greedy within this range, you're probably loving the gains. You probably have the biggest smile on your face. And that just goes to show the people that have patience, and there's 3 rules. I know there's a lot of newcomers coming into this space, but there's 3 rules that I go by. That is, always do your own due diligence and research. And number 2 is always invest what you can afford to lose. If you've done those 2, number 3 rule is nice and simple: have patience. And by having patience, you just have a peace of mind. And not only do you have a peace of mind, in that time frame, you can start making an exit strategy. Where am I going to be locking in profits? Where am I mentally going to be okay to be taking profits, and not having emotional feeling when you are trying to take profits, and you kind of ask yourself, double check yourself, hey, should I really take profits? I'm already up 300%. Should I not just wait for a 600%? Guys, at that rate, if you continue doing that, you kind of get burned out. So this is why I continuously, it's literally since the bear market, I've continuously said that. And my viewers, my day one supporters, can literally vouch for me. And in a lot of my videos over the past few weeks, a lot of people have been saying, Crypto ZX, you've been absolutely talking about this, and whatever you said happened. And again, it's not no rocket science. I'm not coming here and saying, I'm some next level, guru when it comes to, predicting what the future really holds. Literally the entire market is pumping. But as far as Solana specifically is concerned, this project seen way big of a retracement. I don't think it would have seen this much of a retracement if the FUD with the FTX wasn't linked. But nonetheless, we've seen this massive uptick. Right now, what's happening is, this previous resistance, you guys can see this for yourself. Back on May 15th, 2022, last year, we tried to wick back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, but this plays at the level of resistance, and that's where the price is currently being supported by. But in the next few hours, I'm very confident that Solana is going to push back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. We might be able to even see a $65 to $70 Solana. The next main target that you could be aiming for the Solana's price is $66.65. I think we have a chance to get there. We did make our way up to $64, but of course seeing a little bit of a retracement. But I think $66 is pretty realistic next target. And of course, Solana did make up to $64, but look at the retracement, guys. We've only seen an 11% retracement after an insane rally. You can see this for yourself. After breaking out of this resistance, Solana is up 120%. So, anyone that comes out and says, oh, this and that, or talk anything negative about Solana, like, I'm sure these guys are the ones that missed out the opportunity. But again, some people win, some people don't, and that's just how it is, and that's just something a lot of people need to accept. As far as the bigger picture is concerned, let's go back on the weekly time frame. As far as the bigger picture is concerned, of course, Solana is looking like there's life once again. There's no secret about that. But we're still far away. We're far away from all-time highs. Let's bring out the measuring tool, and if we measure it from the all-time high to now, we're down about 77.4% still. So yeah, that's just that. But let me know down below what you guys think. Where could you see the price of Solana going at the end of the year? Do you think Solana can hit $100? I personally think with this momentum, if it were to carry on, Solana, $100 is a realistic target, and $100 Solana is in the, where is it? 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, resistance between the 61.8 and the 78.6. So let's see what happens. We're going to take it one step at a time. Let me know down below what you guys think. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for your support. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.